Peter, I've been demonstrating for Vincent Tractors for about 35 years. We're a local farmer within a few miles of Vincent Tractors, a well-known family firm. They're excellent service. If you get any problems, they're there right away. Evening time or weekends, they'll help you out to keep you going rather than wait from Friday to a Monday. So I feel the service is outstanding. At the moment, we're demonstrating a Kubota 110 horsepower with a 4 Furrow Noot plough. The tractor handled this outstanding. It's a real farmer's outfit. The farmer would be really pleased with this. He handles a 4 Furrow plough really well. Being a 5-cylinder, it sounds really nice. It goes right on, and the reports I get while I'm here ploughing is how nice the tractors sound and how well he's pulling the plough. Today we're down at St Just, which is an outstanding. Look down right there now, we're St Michael's Mount. Today we've done really well, we've done a good job and everyone's pleased, so in whole we've had a really good day.